Hello everybody, my name is Felipe Meira, the pirate, and I'm here again to talk about something very important for you. So many people ask me about new ways of comparison or how to make comparisons in a different way, and they ask me on Instagram and on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Telegram, even on YouTube. They've asked me about much better, how to use, what is much better. So let's see now on this video. Much better is grammatically perfect and it's not an exceptional case or so. This is because much is an adverb, while better is an adjective. So, yes, much is an adjective too, but in this context, it is being used as an adverb. Adverbs, regardless of the degree of comparison, can be used to describe any adjective and still make perfect grammatical sense. In fact, many people apply the degree of comparison concept only with reference to adjective. Yet, since any adverb can precede any adjective, an adverb of the positive degree of comparison, like much, can precede an adjective of the comparative degree, like better. Regardless, why am I trying to be? However, one must note that one cannot place more or most before better. Why is that? Simple. Better itself means more good, so more better would be more good, which doesn't sound good. Just think, how, if you had to, would you intensify better without much better? He is much better now would be he's better now, but not just the better he was yesterday. More than that. Remember, you can't even use words like increasingly, comparatively, considerably, etc. as they are two adverbs of the first degree, right? So if you like this video. If you didn't understand, you can ask me something and I can explain you better after. Okay, so my friends, bye bye, see you in the next class.